GLITZGlamfam! Welcome back to my channel. Guys, I have another mystery box here for our mystery box series. I did my makeup this morning. I didn't film it, but I don't know. We have kind of like a rose gold moment going on here. Let me know what you guys think. I mean, it's okay. I don't really like it. I mean, it's all right. It's all right. I mean, I don't know. I've been doing matte all week because if you follow my Instagram, you'll see I've been doing matte all week, but I don't know. We'll see. I'll leave it on to keep the momentum going. So today I have the Tarte Mystery Box, and I just have something I ordered from Sephora. I think it's the new Huda eyeliner. I mean, brow pencil, but we'll check it out and see. Where's my my knife? Let me get my knife. Let me get my knife. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Okay, so boom. All right, so let's do the Tarte box first. So this was $55. Now, this was like where you could pick, you have to pick your shape tape. So it comes with a shape tape, and then it comes with, I think, 4 mystery items. So I guess basically you're paying for the shape tape and, you know, whatever else you get in the box. So yeah, it was $55. So let's see what's in here. I have never bought anything from Tarte. I have shape tapes, but it's not like I didn't buy them. Like one of them, my sister, it was too dark for her, so she gave it to me. So here we go. Here's what it looks like. Ooh. Oh my god. Ooh. Okay. All right, so we have this here. All right, let's see what's in it. Open it on camera so you guys can see. I love the customized tissue paper. Okay. We have a Jeffree Star moment here. Mad tissue paper. Recycle, everyone. Okay, so they folded it in here. Yeah, let's see. Okay. I see a sample size, so I'm not too keen on this. Okay, so let's go over what we got in here. So this is a Sugar Rush Spritz. So this is a sample of a body spray. I love perfume, so let's see. I mean, it smells sweet, so I guess Sugar Rush is like sweet, so I guess it's a sweet scent. Yeah, I mean, it smells good. It smells sweet, so okay, we'll put this in my sample perfume collection. I'll show you guys. I love perfumes, so I have all these little sample sizes in my Gucci box down here. So yeah, so live for a sample perfume. I like full size, but you know, we live for a sample. Mascara. I'm not gonna say anything. Y'all tell me what you think of this box. You guys tell me what you think of this box. Okay, so we got the mascara, we got the sample perfume, we got the this is the shape tape, I guess. Yeah, shape tape, and I got the shade medium tan golden, so let's swatch it and see. I didn't know what shade to get. I have these other 2 ones, which I hope I don't, medium and tan. So this is medium tan golden, so I mean, they honestly look all the same. So I figured I could use it, or one of my sisters could use it. This is the new one. So let's swatch. We'll just swatch all of them. So this is tan. So this one is, I don't want to waste too much of it. This is tan. So that's tan. This is medium. I know they say shape tape's the holy grail, but I just feel like it makes me look gray when I wear it, and it might just be the shade that I have, because I didn't get these. These are just leftovers from my sisters. And what's the new one? The new one is medium tan golden. So this was tan, this is medium, and then this is medium tan golden that I'm going to swatch right now. So let's see. Oh yeah, that looks, oh, well, this is much thinner than the other ones. The other ones are way thicker. So you can see. So this is medium tan golden. This is, what was this one? Tan or medium. So anyway, yeah, it looks like they just mixed the two, and this is a lot thinner. So this new formula, I guess, is thinner. And this one has double duty on it. These don't have double duty, so obviously these are the older ones, and this is the newer ones. So, I mean, it'll brighten, I guess. But any concealer I don't use, I just carve out my brows with it, so I'm fine with it. So yeah, I think these run, what, 20-something dollars? So that's $20. I'm sure this is about $20. And then the next thing we got is Remix Lip Gloss. Tarte. I never get stuff from Tarte, so I don't know. I don't know. Oh wow, so it's glittery. Is it supposed to look like this? Can you guys see? It looks like it's okay. Remix lip. What is this? What does this say? Remix lip gloss. I've never heard of this. It just has the ingredients. There's no description, so I guess it's just a gloss. So let's swatch it and see. Put a little more. Ooh, lots of sparkle. I prefer a pinkier shade, but I'll show you guys. This is more of like a reddish shade. So, and the sparkle's there. The sparkle factor is there. Okay. And then it looks like we got a palette, which I can already tell this is going to be basic, but we'll give it a whirl. It's called, Everyday Neutrals Eye and Cheek Palette. I already knew, I could tell. It looks basic. Like, just the packaging looks basic. But let's open her up and see. So, oh! I mean, if this is not the most basic... Cash grab. I'm not okay. I'm tired of it. Cash grab. $55 for this? Like, really? We'll do a giveaway for this video because this was a cash grab. So yeah, you can win this palette because I wouldn't use this. Possibly the mascara. I'll see how many mascaras I have in the works, and yeah. So I already swatched the lip gloss, but I mean this, like, you could, like, I would probably use that. The concealer I'll use, that's fine. At least it's more yellowy, so it won't give me like the gray cast on it. Like this one, I think is the one that's making me gray, but I think that's the one I use for my brows. So yeah. This I will add to my lip collection. I probably won't reach for it, but you know. But yeah, so you can win this palette, definitely, because I wouldn't use this. It's just a little basic for me, and I have obviously a million palettes. So yeah. So let's get into my Sephora box, what I ordered from Sephora. I think it's just that Huda, the new Huda brow pencil. So let's see here. And this was quick. If this is the brow pencil, I literally just ordered this like 2 days ago. So, oh, yep, this is it. Okay. So, oh, they finally got my order right. Okay, guys, so ever since the world has gone to hell, I've been using all my Sephora points. I had mad points at Sephora. So anyway, I'll show you guys what I got. So I got these charcoal exfoliating wipes, which are good for me because I have dry skin. So one side it's a makeup wipe, and the other side you can exfoliate. So I love these. So yeah, so I got these, and then I cashed in my points to get this little makeup eraser. But I'm actually mad because I saw that this was in a Sephora favorites for only $10. So I was like, really? So I just wanted to see was it full size or not. And it was 250 points. So I'm like, I could have just paid $10 and got it in the Sephora favorites. Really? I'm calling customer service. It's not full size. Oh my God. What can you do? Just an eye? 250 points for this? I'm calling customer service. Okay, and this is the new Valentino Lady Gaga perfume. This was 250 points too, but look at this. How cute. Oh my gosh. Another one for the collection. I don't even know what it smells like. It's sweet. It's hold on. Voce Vida. This is, what's up with them not having descriptions of the it smells sweet. It smells sweet, very light, very girly. So it's like sweet, light, and girly. I don't know. It doesn't smell very floral. It smells more sweet, like maybe apples or something. It's something sweet, some kind of fruit. So, I mean, it smells, wow, I just used it and look how much is gone. It smells good. I would use it, you know, I'll add it to my sample collection. Okay, and then my free samples were this Herbivore facial oil and then this Ralph Lauren My Romance, which I actually had the full size of this years ago, but I love perfume samples, like I said, so I just added to the collection. Okay, I got the Huda Beauty brow pencil because I love brows. I love all things brows. I might do a video on this. This is black brown. Let me see. It's called the Bomb Brows. And let's see. Oh, wow, this is cute. Okay, so it has the diamond shaped thing. The spoolie, live for a spoolie. And let's see, supposedly this is the world's smallest pencil. So I don't know if you guys can see. All right, and this is the black brown. So let me just do a tiny swatch. You guys know I hate to waste product. So there we go. Okay, that'll match me. But I have like 3 different other brow pencils on. Like I have MAC on and, no, I just used MAC today. I didn't use my Anastasia. Okay, just my MAC. So, oh wow, that looks dark. That looks dark. You can see it right here. So I got the black brown. We'll try this out in another video. And then I think that's all that I got. Yeah, from Sephora and everything. So, okay, to enter the giveaway for the Tarte palette, what you want to do is be subscribed to my channel. Definitely. Let's see. To enter the giveaway, what you need to do is go to the GLITZGLAMBOX unboxing for March, the March GLITZGLAMBOX unboxing, and leave your favorite item from that unboxing in the comments here. So that's how you enter the giveaway, and you have to be subscribed to my channel. So make sure your subscriptions are public so people can verify that you're subscribed to their channel. Yeah, guys, I think that is it. Thanks so much for watching. Till the next video. Bye.